starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy Time Zone Heroes! Hello everyone! Patype naman dyan saang country po tayo ngayon na nanunood. Ayun! Patype po dito kung saang country po tayo. We have from Canada, we have from KSA, we have from Kuwait. Wow, sabog na sabog yung inbox natin guys. We are 525 participants and yung iba papunta pa lang dito. Grabe, sobrang overwhelming yung event natin for today. I know for sure lahat ng mga andito ay sobrang excited na dahil guys, I'm telling you, this batch is truly one of the most memorable for us. Kasi po, hindi pa lang nagsisimula yung session po natin ngayon guys. Pero almost 300 plus na po yung officially part of our VIP Heroes. Ayun guys, kick off pa lang to ha. Hindi pa lang tayo officially na nagsa-start pero meron na pong 300 plus VIP Heroes. And guys, I'm telling you, batch 4 is extra special because lahat po, no, mayroon po tayong mga bonuses mamaya. Meaning, if ikaw ay VIP hero ka na, you choose to commit to grow and to take your trading journey seriously from day one, marami ka talagang matutuklasan for tonight's session. And anyway guys, sa lahat po ng mga VIP heroes, patype nga dyan heroes para po ma-acknowledge ko ngayon lahat po ng mga VIPs natin. Ayun, watching all over the world. Ayun guys, 553 na tayo ngayon. Wow, grabe, heroes. Ayun, sa mga hindi naman heroes, you can type number 1. Ayun, sa mga hindi pa lang po officially VIP, I welcome you all here sa community namin. We welcome you dito po, okay? On behalf of our whole team, welcome Hero 30 Batch 4. Palakpakan naman natin guys. And actually, this is where your foundation will be built, your discipline. Aside from that, you will be trained and your confidence will grow. So the moment that you decide na maging part ka dito, actually, we are really proud of you for making yes to yourself. And let's make this batch 4 a powerful and life-changing journey. Ayun. Guys, anyway, before I acknowledge the batch 4, meron po tayo ditong mga batch 1. Ayun, patype batch 1 nga dyan. Sa mga merong andito po yung batch 1 natin, i-acknowledge ko. Okay? Baka yung iba dito magdamdam kasi hindi na sila na-acknowledge. We have batch 1 here watching. We have batch 2. Okay? Sa mga batch 2, pa-type 2. And we have also batch 3. Nakakatapos lang natin. Okay? Sa batch 3, pakitype nga dyan para ma-acknowledge po namin kayo. Ayun guys, hello everyone. And anyway guys, for today, meron po kaming mga pasabog ng mga coaches that we've never done before sa batch 1, 2, and 3. And yes, sa batch 4 ngayon, okay, sa lahat ng mga andito ngayon, okay guys, makukuha nyo po ito mamaya. Okay, teaser muna tayo guys, mamaya pa, okay? So get ready to the next level guys. And before we start, I would like to i-acknowledge ko muna natin guys yung ating mga coaches. Kasi kung wala po sila, hindi po magiging possible ito. I acknowledge Coach JL, which is every Tuesday. Siya po yung sa trading execution natin. We have Coach Jim na andito sa Pilipinas. And we have Coach David. We have Coach Ray. We have Coach Tiger. We have Coach Dondi. We have Coach Milka. We have Coach Jessie Paraiso. We have Coach Lorin. We have also Coach Gemma. We have Coach Jen. Hello po, kaway-kaway tayo mga coaches. We have Coach Record. We have Coach Ryan. Okay, sila po yung mga coaches natin no, sa SMI Live Coaching Anyway. Mamimit nyo po yan sila. We have also Coach Adrian. And also we have Coach MJ. I myself, Coach Marge, and also our founder, Coach Nars Paraguya. Ayun, palakpakan naman natin yan guys kasi ang dami po ng mga coaches po natin dito sa community which are talaga po willing to help para mag-level up po yung ating trading journey. Ayun. So anyway guys, hindi ko na papatagalin pa. To give the opening remarks, let's all welcome one of our trusted mentors in the Forex community. So get ready to be inspired as he sets the tone for an exciting and impactful event ahead. Help me welcome Coach MJ Canoy.
Hello everyone. Ayan. Happy time zone po sa ating lahat. Ito na yung hihintay na moment natin. And sa lahat po ng mga VIP students natin na andito, I hope that I am loud and clear. Ayan, I hope na rinig ako sa inyo. And guys, pwede ba i-shout out nyo kung anong batch kayo na belong? Gusto ko lang makita kung sino yung pinakamarami dito na batch. Ayan, sino dito yung pinakamadami na batch? Sige nga, para makita ko lang. Ayan, batch 4 ata yung pinaka-present Ayan, alright, again. Ayan, sobrang dami nagme-message. There you go. Yung ibang batch, how about batch 1, batch 2, batch 3? Ayan, for sure, hindi yan magpapatalo. Ayan, okay, thank you so much. Alright. Again, happy time zone sa inyo. And I just wanna acknowledge everyone, lalo na din sa mga plano pa mag-VIP, no? The fact na andito kayo ngayon means pinili nyo yung sarili nyo. Pinili nyo ang growth and most of all, mas pinili nyo na hindi manatili kung nasan kayo ngayon. Kasi now, this year, 2026, I know ang daming mga possibilities pa na mangyayari. But ito yung challenge ko, no? Kasi most of us na andito, talagang na-excite, no? Sino yung excited? Oh, ako, yes. Lahat tayo excited. But ito yung challenge ko for everyone. Kasi today is the kick-off day. And I hope, no, this is where things starts to sink in. No, na hindi na lang puro excitement, but kundi, no, commitment na talaga ang kailangan. Alright? Sa trading journey natin, guys, I want to remind you one very important thing. Okay lang ba? Listen to me, pakinggan nyo to para hindi to mawala sa utak nyo. Okay? Ito yung isa sa pinaka-importante. Kung ibabalik ko yung panahon na nagsisimula pa lang ako, ito yung pinaka-tip ko sa sarili ko. Ito na. Hindi tayo nandito para magmadaling yumaman. Nandito tayo para matuto, umintindi at mag-grow sa market. Ulitin ko lang, okay? Hindi tayo nandito para magmadali na yumaman, okay? Nandito tayo para matuto, umintindi at mag-grow sa market. I hope that is clear with everyone na andito. Kasi walang shortcut sa trading journey natin, guys. Walang instant, okay? Pero kung ini-enjoy nyo ang proseso, for sure, malayo yung mararating nyo. And this 2026, no? Lahat ng learnings dito sa community, it can really change your life. Hindi lang financially, but mentally, emotionally, at kahit sa discipline natin bilang isang trader. Okay? Now, marami pang exciting things ang paparating sa community. Deeper trainings, mas structured systems, at stronger accountability this time. Pero lahat ng yan, guys, listen to this. Alam nyo kung paano mas mai-enjoy nyo? Ito lang. Magiging meaningful lahat ng yan kung focus kayo sa learnings. Alright? Focus sa learnings. Hindi sa pressure. Okay? Hindi sa comparison ng ibang kasama nyo dito. Hindi sa results ng ibang tao, kundi sa iyo. Wala kang ibang kalaban dito. Hindi naman to competition, guys, na paunahan, no? Kanya-kanya tayo ng pacing, kanya-kanya tayo ng kwento sa buhay. Ang mahalaga is magtuloy-tuloy lang tayo. All right? I hope that is clear, no? So batch 4, welcome. Welcome sa isang journey na hindi madali, pero sobrang sulit to, guys. And continue to learn, to relax as well, and learn and trust the process, no? And enjoy every step, no? Kasi dito, nagsisimula ang tunay na pagbabago. Again, welcome to our Hero Batch 4, Hero 30 Batch 4, and let's make this 2026 a turning point in our lives. Thank you so much, Coach Marge. Ibalik ko na sa'yo.
Thank you so much, Coach MJ, for that warm and inspiring welcome message to our heroes. Palakpakan naman natin yun, guys. Na-inspire ba yung lahat? Heroes, the words you just heard are not only a welcome. On behalf of the entire team, we appreciate your leadership, Coach MJ, your heart for the community, and your constant support for every hero who chooses to grow with us. So again, once again, thank you so much, Coach MJ, for officially welcoming our hero, VIP Hero Batch 4. So guys, anyway, sino dito ang gustong magkaroon ng extra? Ito, first, meron pala ako, anyway guys, meron pala akong isang sorpresa sa inyo. Okay lang po ba, before our highlight, I have one special surprise for you. Okay? So again, sino dito ang gustong magkaroon ng extra margin sa pagtitrain? Patype nga dyan, me. Sige nga. Ayun. Kasi actually, yung iba po dito na enjoy na talaga. Right? Kasi honestly, malaking tulong talaga ang extra margin. Okay? Especially, lalong-lalo na kapag merong tamang risk management at mas maayos na execution. Okay? So ngayon, okay lang ba magbigay kami sa inyo ng good news? Ayun, first surprise yan ha. This is actually my first good news for tonight. And trust us, this is something you really don't want to miss. Okay, ready na ba kayo? Okay guys, panoorin ninyo to. Roll VTR. Ayun! Grabe, excited na ba dito, guys? Okay. So again, we would like to extend our sincere thanks to our broker, VT Markets, for giving our community 100% bonus! Wow! This is a big support for our heroes, especially for those who are starting and building their trading journey. So the 100% bonus helps increase our margin, gives us more flexibility in our trades, and allows us to manage our position better while we are still learning. Okay? That's why this is so important na connected po tayo sa community po natin. We're just so blessed because we have our dedicated account manager, no? Sa ating team lang po yan, sa community lang po natin. Okay? So that's why it is very important na you will message your assigned coach kung nakakonect tayo sa community. Okay? Okay, and now the moment that we've all been waiting for. Okay? Anyway, guys, before I forget, no, for that 100% is for the first time deposit only. Okay? So that's why we need to maximize. Okay? So before I forget again, so to have more of this, just message your assigned coach. Okay? So anyway, guys, okay, this is the moment that we've all been waiting for. The highlight of today's event. Get ready to learn, be inspired, and take your trading journey to the next level. Let me introduce to you the brains and the vision behind the Pinoy traders community. Because we wouldn't be here today without this person's dedication and leadership. Get ready to hear from the driving force who started it all. Let's give a warm welcome, walang iba, our one and only founder, Coach Nars Paraguya.
Hello, everyone. Show me some energy for tonight. Thank you so much. Ever gorgeous Coach Marge, and a very, very powerful message with Coach MJ. Right, guys, hindi na ako magpatumpik-tumpik pa. I would like go directly with the business tonight. But here's one question that I want to throw it to you. Sino ditong gustong matuto ng forex trading at kumita in just the span of 1 month and 30 days? Sige nga, drop number 5 in the chat box kung ikaw yan or gusto mong i-claim na ikaw na. While, wow, sabog yung chat box natin tonight, guys. By the way, as we speak, guys, isi-share, as you chat, by the way, share ko lang yung screen ko. We already have almost 700 participants. If I'm not mistaken, ito na yata yung pinakamaraming participants sa lahat ng mga Zoom event natin, ma-training man or hindi, any event. So congratulations, you're part of the history, you are here. All right? So guys, allow me to start directly. Hindi ko na mababasa yung chat box, guys, kasi 500 plus messages na hindi ko mababasa. I just want to welcome everyone because you are willing to pay the price. Ganun lang, kasimple lang. Kasimple lang. Alam niyo ho ba that financial success is so easy? Yes, you heard. I saw that Thailand. You can also, by the way, drop which city, which country are you? Para malaman natin kung saan. I saw that from Thailand. Okay? So welcome po kahit saan ka man ngayon sa mundo. Always in mind that this community is designed para po kahit saan ka man, sulok sa mundo, magkakaisa pa rin tayo, sabay-sabay nating iangat yung mga sarili natin. Kasi alam niyo po, success is not for everyone. Success are those who are willing to pay the price. Or willing, just willing lang. And the fact that you are here, that's a proof that you are very willing. Willing po kayo. Tama ho ba? Alright? So the vision of the community is to equip each Filipino with the right financial mindset, skills to rise above poverty. Mayroon nga tayong kasabihan, one trade a day keeps the poverty away. Build income confidently and enjoy the life with purpose and abundance. Alam nyo, ito, hindi lang ito claim. We have a lot of proofs, hundreds of results with our community na kumita na po gamit yung program natin, strategies natin sa Hero 30, lalo na itong Hero 30. As a matter of fact, medyo marami-rami na rin, pasensya na po, Bisaya, marami-rami na rin po yung kumita na ng malaki at nakapag-for good na at yung iba may plano na makapag-for good. Alright? So, listen. Pero, yes, alam natin, may pera sa forex trading. Pero ang tanong, why people are hesitant to start forex trading? Bakit tayo nag-hesitate? Tingnan mo, baka ikaw, nandito ka pa, pero baka may hesitant ka pa. That's why you are here. Because you want to know more, you want to explore, you want to investigate further, which is that's very good. Tama ho yan. Kasi, yung iba, ayaw nilang pumasok kasi lack of knowledge sila and lack of education. Which is true, 95% who started forex trading napi-fail dahil sa kakulangan ng kaalaman. Mahirap kasi magturo yung forex trading at hindi rin siya madaling aralin. Number 2, limited time. I'm sure, I understand, most of you here are OFW. It shows South Korea, Papua New Guinea, Kuwait, Dubai, di ba? So marami. So lack of time. But alam niyo ba, sa strategy na gamit natin in XEU Sniper, abangan nyo dyan, abangan nyo yan, Saudi Arabia, XEU Sniper, and DG30 Scalping. You will only need 30 minutes a day to trade. Networking ba ito? Hindi ito networking. This is trading community na tuturuan kayo paano mag-trade at paano maging profitable in trading. Alright? So the best strategy, aralin mo lang 30 minutes a day. 30 minutes a day. Believe that if mahal kasi yung capital sa forex trading, kayo ayaw ko eh. Alam ko marami, may pera pero mahal. Here guys, you only need 99 USD to start or 100 USD to start. Marami ding iba, sabi scam, bad reputation, and I cannot blame you for that. Yung iba kasi ako talaga when I started sa forex trading, na-scam talaga ako. Nagbayad ako ng 200,000, hindi na balik sa akin hanggang ngayon. Pero nag-investigate ako further. Inaral ko sa internet, nakita ko legit naman talaga yung forex trading. Yung tao lang na nabigyan kong pera ang hindi legit. Kaya sa community natin, kung mayroon man magagamit sa pangalan ko or any other coaches, hindi po tayo humingi ng investment. We don't need your investment para gamitin namin na mag-trade. We don't do that. What we do is we teach you how to trade para kayo mismo yung mag-trade. Hawak nyo yung account nyo, kayo mismo yung mag-trade. Yun yung ginagawa natin dito. And fear of failure or making mistakes. I understand. Maraming natatakot ma-fail. But here, we cannot promise that it's 100%, pero na-eliminate natin kasi may strategy na tayo. And aside from that, yung iba natatakot kasi lack of mentorship. Alam nyo po, hindi po madali aralin yung forex trading. Kailangan po ng community, kailangan ng support group, at kailangan po ng tamang mentorship para mag-guide kayo step by step towards your journey. Tama si Harvey, sabi niya true. Alam niyo ba guys that it took me 3 years to study forex trading. 5 years, tsaka ako naging profitable. Imagine niyo yan, 5 years. But in our community, nako, tingnan niyo ito. Tingnan niyo ito guys. Latest result from our recent batch. And by the way, ito si ma'am, nag-for good na at nakauwi na sa Pilipinas last month because of forex trading.
Nag-withdraw ako ng 6,991. Wow! All in all, total mo is 600 plus. In
650,000 mo, ma'am?
Oh, wait.
600
Yeah.
Yung partner ko nasa Australia, sabi niya, maghanap ka nga ng negosyo na maganda. Wala naman ako mahanap na negosyo na maganda. Walang iba kundi ang trading. Alam ko maraming pera sa trading, kaso wala tayong knowledge.
True.
Aba, maganda, patry nga. Nag-try ako. At salamat kay Lord at ang nakatulong sa akin sa Hero 30. Ang ganda ng mga coaches dito kasi hindi sila agad ang mindset natin, ang minomotivate nila, yung a very good motivation, self-discipline, no overtrading. Kita ako, ang unang winidraw ko is 100. Next, kinabukasan, 600, 1,000, 1,000. Alam nyo,
Wow.
ang ganda ng for 4 days, nakuha ko ng 5,400. 3 beses ako sa December 18
Draw.
4 times ako nag-withdraw ng December 19. Anong ginawa ko kinabukasan? Sabi ko sa coordinator, sa English coordinator, gusto ko magpahinga. Okay lang. Aba, nag-resign agad ako. Gulat sila, ano nangyari sa'yo? Nag-resign ako last December 19. Ganon. Ang inaral ko ngayon, very helpful sa akin. Binalik-balikan ko yung Hero 30 na yung 5 rules of XAU paper. Kailangan trade with the trend. Hero 30. Ang ganda kasi hindi na siya stressful.
Question ko lang, ma'am. Sorry po. Ilang months na po ba kayo? Again, from the moment you joined here in the community.
November 15. Nag-deposit na ako December 15.
Okay.
December 16, kumita 16.
Ilang hours ba kayo nagtitrade, ma'am, every day? Or minutes lang ba? Or technically as a teacher?
First week ko, yung first 4 days ko is gabi lang. Ang kagandahan pag mabilis na yung market, doon ako sumasabay. Ito experience ko. In just 10 minutes, makakuha ko ng 900. Ngayon na natutunan ko yung technical analysis. Kahit titira ka pa ng marami, nandoon lang kayo sa loob, mag-ikot lang yung market. Very helpful siya. So, ang tips ko, pag gusto nyo talaga magkaroon ng financial breakthrough, para sa akin, huwag na kayo maghanap ng ibang business. So, keep on praying pa rin. At kung kumita na tayo, huwag magbago yung puso. Andun pa rin yung pagmamahal. At the best thing, share your knowledge. Wala tayong ibang lalapitan, first of all, ang Panginoon. Kasi He is the source of everything. God will.
Wow, congratulations. Guys, para bigyan ko kayo ng idea. Nag-learn siya sa Hero 30 for 30 days. After 30 days, nag-trade siya. After 2 weeks, nakita niyo naman kanina, kumita siya ng 6,000 USD or more than 300,000. Okay. Now, syempre, nakita niya, very profitable, nag-decide siya nag-for good sa Pilipinas. Okay. The good thing, kasi nasa Cebu lang siya, binisitahan niya ako, bumisita siya sa amin, kasama yung ibang coaches. Okay. Ito yung picture niya. Okay, this is Ma'am Vine. Ito yung kapatid niya na pastor. And Coach Kurt, Coach Erwin, and yours truly. Okay. Sabi ko, ma'am, tingnan natin yung trade mo. Kasi 'di ba, kumita siya ng another 6. Kasi ako kung consistent ba yung profitability niya. So noon nandito na siya sa Pilipinas, nakapag-focus na siya nag-trade. Alam nyo ba guys, yung time na yon na nag-visit siya sa amin dito and nag-mastermind kami sa community, in less than a week guys, kumita siya ng 6,158. After a month ng learning Hero 30, gamit yung strategy natin, and after a month guys, eto na lahat yung kinita niya. Kumita siya ng 18,386 in just 1 month. 2 months lahat. Kasama yung 1 month na pag-aral niya. In Philippine conversion, 1.0.75. And guys, hindi lang yan nag-iisa. Sa first batch, actually, mas malaki pa yung kinita. Okay? Sa second batch, meron din. Kumita din, 7-digit din, pero 2 months. But the point here, guys, is that kahit hindi ganito kalaki yung kikitain, okay lang ba sa inyo doing trading on the side habang nagtatrabaho ka, aralin mo lang, konting time lang sa pag-aaral, gamitin mo lang ito kung saan ka free, mag-trade ka lang kung saan yung available time mo, gamit lang ang cellphone at internet for 30 minutes a day. Okay lang ba? Nakukurot lang tayo sa merkado, guys. 100 USD per day, 200 USD per day, 300 USD per day, or even 50 USD per day. Okay, 50 USD per day. Para sa nagtatanong magkano deposit, guys, we recommend maliit lang muna. Siyempre, malaki na yung ano niya, malaki na yung kita niya, malaki na rin yung capital niya. Of course, just like any other business. Okay? So, to be real here, you don't expect your 100 USD magiging 1 million. Kasi mayroon tayong tinatawag na risk-reward ratio. Otherwise, that's too risky ang ginagawa mo i-flip lahat. But the point here, guys, is that kung marunong ka na, madali ka lang mag-scale kasi alam mo na kung paano kumita. Okay, alam mo na. Now, that's the big question. Paano? Ano yung ginawa niya? Okay? Paano natin kukunin yan? Will you do something that you never done before? Siyempre, gusto mo lang, ang iba kasi gustong kumita pero ayaw mag-pay the price. Konting time lang sa pag-aaral. Kasi yung goal natin sa community, guys, ganito lang. You learn Forex trading within 30 days. Yun lang. 30 days. Kung gusto mong i-extend, depende sa'yo. But ang goal is, ibigay mo lang yung best mo for 30 days. O side lang. On the side lang. 30 days yan. And then, after 30 days, guys, your another goal is pwede ka nang kumita ng 200 USD. Yun lang. Within 30 days. Yun lang. Bawi ka na. Kasi ang program dito is 199. So the goal is bawi ka lang. But hindi ka talaga bawi kasi kumita, natuto ka. That's your, even if you're a beginner. Kasi, you see, Miss Vine talaga is zero knowledge siya. So ano ba yung ginawa namin? What's the secret sauce with our community kahit zero knowledge ka? Okay, ito lang, makinig kayo. We will teach you, hindi lang kami magtuturo sa inyo, we will also show you. So at the same time, ituturo namin sa inyo, ipapakita din namin sa inyo kung paano kami mag-trade. Sa lahat na nag-enroll, may VIP access yan. Aside from that, we will guide you. In the event na naguguluhan kayo, na-stuck kayo, this part, parang nalito ako dito, so we will guide you. We will have each VIP, each enrolled, my coach na naka-assigned para sa'yo. So, hindi ka nag-iisa. Yes, nandito ako as the head coach, but sa dami natin, tingnan mo naman, tonight alone, guys, more than 700. Of course, hindi ko kayang isa-isayin yan. But we have more than 30 coaches in the community. So, lahat yan, may naka-assign para sa'yo. Okay? And not only that, guys, we will equip you with our strategy. Bakit kailangan ng strategy? Mahirap ho mag-trade kung wala kang strategy. Natatagalan ka, nasasayang mong capital mo kasi nag-experiment ka pa lang. So in other words, sa mga nagsulat, wag mo na magsulat. In other words, we will teach you, we will show you, we will guide you, we will equip you, and within the 30-day challenge. Sa loob ng 30 days. The goal, after 30 days, marunong ka na. Okay. Mamaya yun na yung mga question, guys. Sayang yung question mo, matatabunan sa dami na nagko-comment. Meron tayong Q&A mamaya. Okay. So this is the 30-day challenge. Kasi maraming nagano. Coach, zero knowledge ako. Coach, newbie pa ako. Coach, wala akong alam. Kaya nga, nandito tayo. This is designed for you. Or kahit trader ka na, pero gusto mong maging profitable, naghahanap ka pa ng tamang strategy. Okay? This is perfect for you. So this challenge is built step by step. 30-day to. Ang tawag nito is Hero 30-day challenge Forex training for beginners from zero knowledge to a profitable trading. So ito yung mga format, guys. Twice a week, mayroon tayong live sessions. Lahat ng mga sessions recorded. So I understand, iba-iba yung time zone natin and the event hindi ka available. By the way, most of our session ganitong oras. Okay? Ganitong oras, 10 p.m. PH time. PH time na lang gamitin natin kasi kung i-convert natin every country, matatagalan tayo. So lahat yan, 10 sessions within 1 month. The course, of course, it comes with a price. hindi madali matuto sa forex trading. And besides, guys, ilalapag namin dito yung secret sauce namin sa community. Okay. Ilalapag namin dito yung strategy. Ganitong klaseng training, guys, before nag-attend ako, 3 days lang, hindi 1 month, 3 days lang, nagbayad ako ng 559. But think about it. Kung wais ka, if you are clever and you are smart, willing ka bang magbayad ng ganito lang kaliit para sa ganong klaseng potential income? Nakikinita kanina ni Miss Vine. Kasi kung tatanungin mo, hindi kikita yan ng milyon kung hindi niya inaral. Okay? Sound check, guys. Let me know kung walang audio. Number 1, if good audio. 0, if no audio. Clear naman. Sir, baka yung device mo. Okay? So, ganitong klaseng training, guys, mahal yung forex trading. Kasi ang strategy dito, guys, inaral namin for years. Para shortcut na lang. Pero, sino dito gusto sa inyong ibaba natin ng konti? Hindi na lang 599. Hindi na lang. Ibaba lang natin ng konti. Meron ba? O sige, kung wala, taas na lang natin ng pataas kasi willing naman kayo, di ba? Baba lang natin ng konti, guys. Remember, this is an intensive, comprehensive forex trading. Ibig sabihin, Tagalog po ito. And with proven results na. Guys, sino ba dito nakasama sa mga GC natin? Kabayan nga GC, Pinoy GC na trading community. Alam naman natin, guys, every day, guys, every day, nagpo-post ng results doon. Ganun ho ka-comprehensive yung training natin. So kahit 400, personally ko ako, kahit 400, I'm still willing to pay. Kasi nga, dati nga, nagbayad ako 599. 3 days lang. Okay, the problem with 3 days, hindi mo matutunan kaagad. So dito, kahit ibaba natin ng 400, siguro ba, pagbigay na lang tayo ng 50% discount. Sino bang gusto ng 50% discount? Drop number 5 on the chat box. Bigyan na natin ng discount. Kasi marami nang nagbayad, guys. As we speak right now, there are already 354. Ngayon pa yung launching actually. Supposedly, ngayon pa yung opening of enrollment. Pero inaabangan ito talagang Hero 30 sa dami ng nagkaresulta. Okay, number 5. Nakita ko yung number 5. So, i-reduce na lang
2
natin.
months, 1 million.
But before that, before nyo i-reduce, tingnan nyo muna. Kung aaralin nyo ito ng 30-day challenge comprehensive, ito yung posible na mangyayari sa inyo.
Congratulations! Grabe.
Ayoko na dito. Ayoko na dito sa Saudi.
Guys, she's a nurse from Saudi Arabia. Ramdam mo yung sinasabi niyang, ayaw ko na dito. Ibig sabihin, ginagawa niya ito kasi may why siya. Okay. Sabi niya, ayaw ko na dito. Guys, tingnan natin, guys. Batch 2 po ito ng Hero 30.
Nag-enroll ako nung August 18, August 28, yung first withdraw ko with 357. The next day, nag-withdraw ulit ako ng 500. Nag-profit ako ng 2.5. 1 month yung 2.5 na yon. Tapos, nag-withdraw ulit ako kanina, which is 5,000 total ng aking withdraw. Naka 500,000 na ako. May withdrawable pa ako. 10,000, half M uli. 2 months, naka 1 million ako. The best talaga yung Hero 30. Huwag kang matakot. Patient talaga yung virtue dito. Kahit nakakakaba, kailangan mong labanan yung takot mo. Kasi if you will not risk, you will not gain.
If you will not risk, you will not gain. Guys, imagine niyo, baka na-miss out nyo. 10,000 USD or 500,000 pesos in 1 month. Consistent yun. After 2 months, kinuna namin siya ng interview kasi na-amaze kami sa resulta niya. Okay? So, kahit sa inyo, kahit hindi ganoon kalaki, side hustle lang. Like I said, kahit side hustle lang. Ang goal lang natin dito, matatapatan natin yung income mo dito sa sweldo mo. Okay? Sa sweldo mo. Okay, pag-usapan natin yung capital, I think, sinabi ko na kanina, You only need 100 USD to start as a capital. Okay? So, eto na guys. Hero 30. And after this one, listen. After this one, we will close the enrollment kasi magsisimula na sa Monday. Okay? So, Hero 30 30-day challenge. Instead of 599, hindi na. Instead for 400, may 50% dapat, di ba, 200. Pero ngayon, ibibigay namin sa inyo, naka-promo tayo guys, for 198 only. The good thing is lifetime membership. Wala na kayong babayaran. Take it or leave it. Uulitin ko, if you are smart, if you are clever, are you willing to pay? Mag-type ka ng wow if you are willing to enroll, if you are willing to earn, at willing ka yung magkaroon ng resulta based dun sa resulta kanina. Promise guys, yun lang yung result papakita ko. Kasi kung ipapakita ko lahat, maubos yung time namin. And you know what guys? Today is the birthday of my beautiful wife. Wala? Okay. Oh, beautiful wife. Doon, busy siya sa mga gift niya sa baba. Pero, tinanggap ko itong event na ito because this is for you. Sa mga kasama nating OFW. 198, less than 10,000. Trade 30 days mo nang aralin. Ang goal natin dito guys, kikita ka ng 200 USD, right? So kung kikita ka ng 200 USD after 1 month, bawi ka na. Okay, wala nang monthly subscription. Wala na. Tinanggal na natin yung monthly subscription. Lifetime membership na sa VIP community. Wow. Wow. Okay, one more bonus. Okay lang before I end? Before I exit, one more bonus. Sino gusto one more bonus? Lifetime na ito. Sa VIP community. Siyempre, VIP community, may mga trainings tayo dyan. One more bonus. Sa Hero 30, ilalapag namin isa sa mga secret sauce strategy namin sa community. Dito ang daming nagkaresulta. XAU Sniper. XAU Sniper, guys, is a combination indicator, timing, plus the 5 rules of XAU Sniper. Yan, kasama yan sa package ng Hero 30. Another thing, bonus to, bonus. Bonus na to. Bonus. Surefire VIP signal. 80 to 90% win rate. Surefire VIP signal. Another thing, a smart move indicator. This one is the best. This one is the best. You will have access to this one via Zoom. Guys, mahal ito kung bibili nyo ito. Promise. This is worth 300 USD or more. Pero may nakakita rin, may nakalagay buy, sell. These are our strategies. We want to make it sure na marami kang option para marami kang opportunity na i-master or kikitain mo. Another thing guys, for the first time gagawin sa community. Last bonus na lang. Remember, 4 yung bonus. Last bonus. Magkakaroon tayo ng live trade by yours truly. Every New York session opening. Ipapakita ko sa inyo every night in 30 minutes how I trade, why I trade this way, and what is the setup. And the good news of this live trading, guys, hindi ko lang ipapakita sa inyo yung trade. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung setup ko at ipapakita ko sa inyo every night may backtesting tayo. Every night may backtesting tayo sa previous trade natin. Para ikaw na magti-trade, alam mo na kung paano i-timing. Grabe guys, 4 na bonus in 1 session. Pero hindi pa ako tapos. But before I end, sino sa inyo, curious lang ako. Drop number 1 if you are willing to pay the price, willing the process, at willing to enroll. Kasi as we speak guys, there are already 354 ang nag-enroll. Marami. Drop number 1, marami. Okay. One more thing. One more bonus, and I promise you, I'm going to end kasi magsi-celebrate pa kami ng wife ko. Okay. Sino gusto ditong may discount? More discount pa. Sino gusto? More discount. More discount. Okay, itong gagawin natin guys. Ngayon na natin gagawin ito. Okay? So, hindi na 599, hindi na 400, hindi na 200. But, mag-opening, ano ang tawag dito? Opening promo tayo, promo rate natin guys, is hindi 198, hindi 198, kundi for the next 24 hours, siguro tanggalin na natin itong 30 student kasi 300 student na. Siguro for the next 24 hours na lang. Gagawin na lang natin guys, 99 USD. Lifetime membership, 4 na bonus, 2 times a week VIP training, 3 times kung baguhan ka pa lang kasi every week mayroon tayong tinatawag na trade execution. Every week yan guys, every week trade execution. Ano yan? Paano mag-start? Anong pindutin? Paano gamitin yung MT5? How to buy, how to sell? No monthly subscription. Lifetime access to membership. Guys, ibabalik namin ito ng 198 kasi ilalagay natin to sa website. So habang hindi pa natin ito ilalagay sa website, promote pa tayo. Kasi yung Zoom ko actually is limit lang into 500. Kaya kanina, feeling ko lang sumobra tayo ng 500 kaya nag-increase ako sa Zoom natin na number of participants. So kaya umabot tayo ng 700 plus. Imagine, 700 plus. The good thing about this one guys, ang conversion nito is 5,500 lang. Guys, take it or leave it. Yun lang ang matulong ko sa iyo. Hindi ka na makakahanap. Yes, I know, maraming libre. Maraming libre guys sa social media. Pero yung strategy, meron ba? Yung community, meron ba? At yung resulta, meron ba? Kasi actually kami, we don't need to prove our result. Kung nakapasok ka sa GC, I promise yan, every night, may resulta. Alright? So this is for the next 24 hours. Take it or leave it, guys. Imagine niyo, this kind of training will cost you 599 for 3 days lang. Pero ngayon, naka-promo tayo 99. Okay? We will close the registration when mag-start ang next session. When mag-start? Next session will start on Monday. Second session will start on Wednesday. Third session will start on Saturday. Next week, we will have 3 sessions kasi marami nang excited. Marami nang excited na matuto at marami nang. Guys, make sure if you creating account sa VT Markets, nakalink yan sa community para madali lang ma-avail mo yung mga bonus natin. Alright? I think that would be all for me tonight, guys. But I'll promise you since nandito ka, 99 USD, guys. If you're going to take that risk, hindi ka malulugi dyan. Hindi ka mapupurdoy ng 999. Kung sa Bisaya, padi na ka mapobre, anak. But you will learn a lot. Nothing to lose. Kasi even if 198 pesos, Francis, ako na lang maghatag sa imong kwarta doy. Ayaw na lang pag-enroll din eh. Diba? Yung walang pera, okay lang. Maghintay lang kayo. Bigyan na lang kayo ng pera. Pero you need to understand, guys, as much as I wanted to help you, tulungan nyo rin yung sarili natin. Okay? Ang goal natin dito, guys, simple lang yung goal natin. Matatapatan lang natin yung 200, yung sweldo mo, yung sahod mo, monthly sahod. Yun na yun. Take it or leave it. If you think if you think that this is so heavy for you, this is not for you. I understand, guys. I'm sorry for that. Kasi hindi po lahat ng tao risk taker. Alam ko, ang mga taong yumaman, those are willing to pay the price and those are willing to take risk. Magkano lang yaman yung 999? But if you are willing and if you are interested, uulitin ko, sino ba dito willing and interested? Drop number 1. Kasi if you're not making money online, you are missing something. Kaya maraming naghihirap, close-minded kasi. Pero if I were you, 5,000? Di mo kumapurdoy, anak. That's a very good question. How to pay? Message the person na nagbigay sa inyo ng link. Okay? Wala akong, I cannot help with those people na hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin that's not of my business. I'm not here to convince you. I'm here to guide you sa Hero 30. So that there are two questions, isang question na lang in two person that are here tonight. Whether you're in or you're out. Thank you so much. God bless. Welcome to Hero 30.
Ayun, heroes! Let's give a big virtual round of applause for Coach Nars! Grabe guys, ang daming bonus! Sulit na sulit talaga yung $99 natin guys. So, actually that $99 will end after 24 hours. And yung ating enrollment po ay magko-close na this Sunday. Okay? Dahil we will officially start our session this Monday, 10 p.m. Okay? Once again guys, the $99 will end, okay, this after 24 hours, okay, and the enrollment will end this Sunday. May cutoff po tayo dahil guys, dahil Monday na po magsa-start yung ating session. And again, that's lifetime po yung bonus na mga bonuses na nakukuha niyo guys. So, talagang take it talaga ako. Okay? Again, thank you, Coach Nars. Guys, palakpakan natin.
By the way, Coach March, I'm sorry, meron bang Q&A?
Wala po, Coach.
Okay. Kasi kung meron Q&A, sana magbibigay ako ng 3 or 5 scholar na pwede kong ilibre sa Hero 30.
Wow! Grabe. Sige, Coach. Pwede po ngayon, Coach, kung gusto nyo po.
Ano mo na lang, Coach March, baka may natutunan sila. Mag-question ka lang kung sino yung mabilis magtanong. Take note nyo na lang. Magkukuha tayo ng 3 na kukunin nating sponsor, walang babayaran for free sa Hero 30.
Okay, so guys, for the mechanics of that, we will give an announcement. May announcement po tayo para makuha po yung ating 3 scholars. Okay, meron po tayong 3 scholars for that $99. May pa-bonus si Coach Nars. Isa din po yan, no? Dahil birthday din ng kanyang wife. Happy birthday, Ate Hazel. Ayun. Anyway, guys, for the mechanics of 3 scholars, guys, we will announce that sa GC. Okay? Okay? Okay, so anyway, guys, again, guys, thank you so much, Coach Nars, for sharing your time and experience and your real insights with us tonight. So, heroes, what you just heard is not just information, that is real guidance from someone who has already walked the path you are starting today. So, guys, again, guys, actually, meron kasi akong nabasa kanina, no, na meron pong mga gumagawa na naman ng mga account. Naku po, okay guys, please be very careful of scam messages, okay? If you see accounts using names like Coach MJ, Coach Nars, kahit po sa akin guys, yung gumagawa, okay? Kasi po kami, yes, ako po, may 3 accounts ako, pero tinatag ko po yan. Okay, tinatag po namin yung additional accounts namin, like kay Coach MJ, tinatag po namin yan, okay? So, kapag hindi po siya nakatag and yung aming official accounts ay naka-blue check. Okay? So, yung additional accounts po namin, guys, nakatag po yan. Okay? Because we have also accounts na meron po kaming admins to cater all. Okay? Yung mga students po natin. Okay? So, again, guys, kapag humihingi ng pera, bin messaging you guys, hindi po kami yan. Okay? So our coaches and official team will never message you privately asking for investment, asking for money. Okay, so if you receive this kind of message, please po, okay, please po, do not reply. Again, do not reply, do not send any money, and report the account immediately. Okay, so guys, let's stay alert so no one in our community becomes a victim. Okay, so thank you so much for helping our community safe. Okay, So anyway guys, later na lang po ako regarding po pala sa mga Q&A natin at the end na lang po, okay, after our announcement. Okay? So anyway guys, heroes, before we continue, may tanong po muna kami. Okay? Kasi actually guys, na-mention na kanina ni Coach Nars yung ating second bonus, no? Na-mention na po niya yung ating second bonus. But if you're ready to experience real trading in real time, in Tagalog for more video, please roll VTR. Okay, ayun guys. Ayun. So anyway guys, yung sinabi ni Coach Nars, will be having our live US 30 live trading session. Ayun, excited ba tayong lahat? Kasi excited din po kami. Sobrang excited kami guys kasi bakit? Uulan ng dollars sa community! And the best part of that, with proper execution, discipline, and real guidance. So ganyan po kaganda. Because this is not about kung sino yung pinakamabilis kumita. Yung importante po dito, maging consistent tayo, discipline tayo, at yung ating execution. Okay guys, again, eto na naman guys, meron pa kaming pasabog. Actually, hindi. First time po itong mangyayari. And you will be part sa community history. Ayun, excited po bang lahat? Tonight, we are about to introduce something very special. And that's something that will make history in our community, okay? For the first time ever, you will be part of the community history because this is where learning becomes action. This is where theory becomes execution. And this is where your chart reading skills will truly be tested. Now, to give you a quick preview of what this is all about, roll VTR.
Imagine.
Ayun! Grabe, no? Ayun, ano ba yun? Di ba? Excited yung iba dito. Ano ba yun, Coach? Ano ba yun? Ayun. Guys, first time ever. Okay, we will be having our trading tournament. Grabe! Okay, we'll be having our trading tournament. Pero po after our graduation. And i-announce po namin yan. I-announce po natin yan, kaya sobrang excited po yung lahat because we want everyone to enjoy, learn, and grow together. So, actually, this is meant to be a fun and healthy competition for the whole community. Yung goal po natin, makapag-build tayo ng confidence, the discipline, and the good trading habits. Okay? So, since nasa magkaibang lugar po tayong lahat, hindi po natin to gagawin face-to-face, guys, ha? We will be having a trading tournament that will be conducted online. Pero guys, para lang po ito sa lahat ng mga members, okay, nakasama po sa Hero 30. Okay, so again, kahit nasaan man kayo, ay makakasama po kayo. So again, this will be a fun and healthy competition. Meron po tayong mga prizes. Bonggang prizes, palakpakan po natin yung mga coach natin, guys. Meron po tayong mga prizes, but, after po yan sa ating Hero 30 graduation, and also we will be having our Hero 30 graduation after our 30-day session. Okay? So, para po sa mga gustong humabol na maging VIP sa Hero 30, yes, you still can. Sa lahat po ng mga gusto po ditong makapag-start. Again, our VIP cut-off is this Sunday. So if you are still planning to upgrade or join as a VIP hero, please make sure to message the page or the assigned coach as soon as possible so that you can be provided with the official VIP form. Again, slots and approvals are handled only by your assigned coaches, okay, or the assigned page. Yes, our Hero 30 graduation is virtual. Okay guys, again, okay, especially ito pala pa sa ating scholars. Ayun, are you ready? Ngayon po pala tayo mamimigay. Ayun, excited po bang lahat? Meron po tayong 3 scholars. Excited na ba? Before we end, okay, sa mga hindi nag-leave, again guys, ito po yung mechanics. Okay, ito po yung mechanics. I have a question for you. Meron akong question kung sino po yung unang makakasagot after po ng bars na itatype ni Coach MJ. Okay, example po, okay, wag mo nang mag-chat, wala mo nang chats. Okay, after this bar, ito po yung bar, example, dito sa chat box. After that bar, saka lang po kayo sasagot. Clear po ba yon? After ng bar, saka lang po sasagot. Okay? Kasi kung sino lang yung una, after the bar, yan lang po yung i-credit natin. Okay, are you ready? Okay, pa-type nga dyan, ready muna. Ayun. Okay, check muna natin yung ating question. Okay, congratulations ahead sa ating 3 scholars na mapipili for today. Okay, first question. Ayun, ready na. First question. Magkano ang promo price? Okay, sino yung unang nakasagot after the bar? Hold on, parang walang bar akong nakita. Pero, hold on.
Nanag, after the bar.
After the
Si
bar.
Ivan Petalio.
Ivan Petalio, are you here? Ivan Petalio, ayun. Ayun, paki-screenshots, Coach MJ. Ayun. I know, sorry. After the bar is Zoom user.
Ikaw yung Ikaw yung nag-send?
11:03.
Hindi, ako yung after the bar. 11:03.
Hold on.
Ivan Petalio
11:03.
yung nakita ko dito.
Okay, paki-check po, Coach. Okay, hold on muna, guys. So, anyway, para makita po ng ating tech team,
Ivan Petalio.
Ivan Petalio.
Tama?
Okay, so si Ivan Petalio as per Coach MJ.
Yes.
Okay, Ivan Petalio. Okay, i-message niyo po ako, Sir Ivan. Okay, para po sa ating scholar. Congratulations, Sir Ivan. Ayun, second question. Second question. Okay, ready na ba lahat? Okay, after the bar, guys. After the bar. Second question. Kailan ang first session?
Wait lang.
Kailan ang first session?
Si Jenny De Vera.
Okay. Okay, guys. We have Ma'am Jeneline De Vera. Okay, hold on muna. Nawala yung aking camera. Okay, Ma'am Jeneline, andyan po ba kayo, Ma'am Jeneline? Okay, Ma'am Jeneline, kung andyan po kayo, i-message nyo po kami. Okay? After this session. Okay, nawala po yung aking camera. Ayun, parang bumalik na. Ayun, okay. Ayun, next po, next. Okay, for the third question. Get ready. Okay. Magkano ang bonus ni VD Markets for the first time deposit? Okay, congratulations, Zarina Almoite. Ayun, Zarina Almoite, if you are here, congratulations. Isa ka sa mga Best Typing Warrior. Ayun, congratulations everyone sa ating tatlong scholars. Palakpakan naman natin yan, guys. Ayun, thank you so much for having us here, no? And anyway, sa lahat po ng mga winners po natin sa ating mga scholars, guys, i-message nyo po kami para po ma-acknowledge lahat. And again, thank you so much for being here. But before we end, meron lang po ako sa inyong isang message, okay? To all our Hero 30 members, to our heroes, habang tumatakbo yung journey natin sa Hero 30, gusto lang po namin ipaalala ang tunay na progress sa trading ay nanggagaling sa practice. So i-practice natin lahat ng mga napag-aralan sa bawat session, may backtest sa mga setups, and balikan po natin yung mga recordings that will be given. Okay? So be resourceful kasi lahat po ng nasa paligid natin, may internet na tayo, may Google, may YouTube. Meron pang ChatGPT, kaya tandaan po natin na ating mga coaches, the community are part of the bonus. Lahat po ng kumikita ng mga 7 digits, they are all resourceful. Okay, so that's one of the tip kung gusto natin kumita agad and gusto po natin mag-jumpstart agad yung ating career. So before we end, okay lang po ba mag-picture muna tayo? Traditional selfie. Ayun, are we ready, Coach Nars? Okay, traditional selfie muna tayo, guys. Pa-open po ng mga cameras po natin. Okay, and show your faces, yung ating mga brilliant smile. Ayun, para po sa ating officially selfie. Okay, 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, page 1, page 2. Ayun, lahat po ng naka-on cam, papaldo. Ayun, tapos na. Thank you so much, everyone. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng magiging VIP. Congratulations and welcome. God bless us all. Good night, everyone. Good night and God bless.